we went on the trip to Germany. For good 7 days, we were working from 9 to 9. And my friends from the armed forces said, I never knew that politicians can also work this hard. So we put our act together. We presented SWAT operation and other things. And finally, we convinced the Germans that embargoes on Pakistan is not correct. We met the Finance Committee, the Defense Committee, their Armed Forces, Economic Affairs Committee, and Foreign Relations Committee. We could convey our message to them. That is when I realized that Pakistan Parliament should have friendship groups with different countries. And I never knew that I would be tasked with the responsibility of being the speaker in 2013. When I was given this task, I established 96 friendship groups in the parliament with sister parliaments and proactive ones. And I can tell you my personal experience. I'm in touch with the former Iranian speaker, who's been a friend. I'm still in touch with members of parliament. I'm in touch with Turkish former speakers, former prime minister, former members of parliament. I'm in touch with Russian former speaker who is the head of the external intelligence, and the present speaker, members of parliament. And I have a whole range of lists where, and Shafkat Saab traveled with me to Russia also. And that relationship which we established in 2013-14 still continues, even if they are not in the same positions, but they're in other positions. And what is my interest? My interest is Pakistan. I do not gain anything personally from them, but yes, Pakistan gains if I am. And there have been many occasions where on international conferences, we have put our heads together, where we have tried to work together on causes and issues of interest to Pakistan. I will give you another example. I think you were there when we signed the conference with Russia. So I convened a meeting in Pakistan after an effort of 2 years, where the Russian foreign minister, who still is the foreign minister, refused to allow this meeting to go on between the speakers. But President Putin finally allowed it. We held a conference in Pakistan that was known as the First Speakers Conference. We had Russia, Turkey, Iran, China, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. The subject was how to collectively counter terrorism using the parliament as a tool and connectivity. That was a great success, and never before has Russia or Iran and Afghanistan signed on a document that says that resolution of Kashmir should be based on the UN resolution. That is what they signed, and we have got evidence of that, which is with the Foreign Office.